last pieces of upholstery in the spare bunk and in the former hat needed to be removed. I was getting quite nervous working next to this possibly asbestos containing casing, so I went and get my mask. The asbestos testing kit has been ordered and should be on its way soon. The backing plate in the former hat wouldn't bulge. I had to cut it open, and instead of using the right tool I opted for the duck and run method. And so little by little it started to give way. Come on, you know you gotta go. Come on, do it, and yeah, there you go. With that task out of the way, I turned my attention again to the rusty walls, ceiling and bulkheads. To work freely, it would be nice to remove the porthole windows. They could use a facelift too. And so I oil the brass plugs that hold the hinges in place and hammer out the pin with a punching tool. Come on out, I said. Maybe try on the other side? What do you think? Nah. Come back once more. Those pins don't bulge at all. Take this, a pneumatic hammer. Still no movement, then I'll drill out a bit. With different drills, different thickness and compositions. And hardly anything. Okay, pin, you win for now. With the windows still in place, I present to you the Needle Gun 3000. A second-hand needle scaler that weighs a lot more than his pneumatic brother, but runs on electricity, so I don't have to buy an expensive compressor. Oh, ho, ho, don't get too excited. First, let's see what it can do. I'm a big fan of the needle gun, and I'm sure it's the right tool for the job, but damn, how heavy is this, man? It's pure fitness. I have to let my arms hang for a while every 2 to 3 minutes to recover. That's how heavy this work is. but the result, man, it's just perfect. Do you know that feeling when you know something's wrong, but you ignore it anyway because you don't want to believe in the consequences? Well, this is such a case. You can hear it too, right? I brought my new, well, second-hand new machine within 30 minutes. While taking it apart, it was too hot to handle with my bare hands, and there appeared to be 2 broken springs and the bolt that holds it all together. Probably my fault though, I ran it dry, not enough grease inside. Now I'm bearing the consequences. I ordered new parts from Nito, but they say there's 6 to 7 weeks delivery time. Let's take this frustration for the better on the windows. See? This is how far I came. Always drill out bigger. Persevere, mate. You can do this. Come on, keep going. One down, 13 to go. Alright, the weather turned for the good, so let's turn our attention to the stern. I want to get the anchor winch out of the way and take it home for maintenance. If any of you have ever done this before or have a clue how to do it, please reach out to me in the comments because I have no idea where to start. The bolts that hold the anchor winch in place go through the deck, so when you're on your own, you gotta be inventive to loosen them up.
There's nothing like tomorrow. There won't be no sorrow. Not after tomorrow. There is nothing like tomorrow. There won't be no sorrow. Not after tomorrow. You can be yourself. You can sit that shit high. Touch the sky. There's a reason why. There is nothing like tomorrow.
The plywood underneath the teak deck at the stern is possibly in the worst condition of the entire boat. Makes it easier for me to get the teak off though.
Sorrow. Not after tomorrow. There is nothing like tomorrow. There will be no sorrow. Not after tomorrow.
If you'd like to follow the progress on this project, please hit that link below and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you next time. Cheers!